Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is April the 9th. So today's video is going to be a little bit more of a test. So these are brand new seeds, Mackenzie brand, rosemary. And I did a little research online yesterday, and I should have started these seeds off probably 2 months ago because they take a very long time to germinate and then to actually start really growing. So in the package, this little package came inside this package, and I've just taken a few of these and just put them into this little cup here. And if you want to know what kind of cups these are little beverage cups, I guess, or not beverage, but they're food cups that you'd get, you know, at the restaurants. You know, you might get relish or mustard or some kind of, you know, whatever that they're serving you with your meal. So anyway, what are this 200 of these in there, and they weren't expensive. I can't remember. I've had them for quite a long time. So what I've done here is I've just taken some, potting soil, and I've got my seeds here. And it's not going to be much of a video, but I just want to get this on camera so that I have it locked in. And these seeds, what I read is that they take a long time to germinate. It could take up to a month for these to germinate. But also, many of them may not even germinate. They are tiny. And another thing is that you don't want to place them too far below the soil. Boy, they are small. Look at that, stuck to the bit. There we go. So I can 1, 2, 3, got quite a few on that one. And then I did actually buy a better set of tweezers. There's 1, 2. I'm just going to use all of these. You don't get many in this package. I was watching another video yesterday, and the person who was showing the video, they got their rosemary seeds in little, like a protective little ball, you know, almost like a little clay ball that will dissolve once the water hits it, which is kind of nice. Now I'm going to get these in here, and I'm not starting these in a paper towel because they are just too small, and I don't want to really take a chance, and I am going to cover these after. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to move these out of the way. This is just water. I'm just going to start spraying these down a little bit. So I am not expecting good results with this because I did watch a few videos, and every video said that the germination rate is really low and that they take a long time to germinate, and if you don't have perfect conditions, they will not germinate at all. So we'll see what happens. So today is April the 9th, and we'll see what's happening. What's actually good about this is that it's exposing the seeds, so I can know exactly where to cover them. I think that's pretty good. And then I'm just going to push them in. It's very, very hard to see this. These seeds are super small. I'm just going to give them a little bit of a push down. So we are not anywhere near the start of our growing season at this point. We're still having below freezing temperatures at night. But that will change pretty soon. So I think that's pretty good. And I am going to cover these. I'm going to put a little bit of plastic wrap over them so that they don't dry out on me. Because if these dry out, you're out of luck. So you have to make sure that you keep these absolutely, you know, just don't let them dry out. Otherwise you've just wasted your time and you've wasted the seeds. So it's unfortunate because I did purchase those seeds about 2 months ago. So they've just been sitting there, and I just really don't know anything about rosemary, and I should have started them off. What I am going to do though is I will be picking up some rosemary from my local Home Depot. And when I do get those, and they're a little bit bigger, then I will do the snip off, where you snip off one of the branches and then you pull off half of the lower little leaves, and then you can start them off in water like that. And that seems like the way that most people get a maximum success rate. So there we go. So I am going to cover these up. I won't do that on camera, but I just wanted to get this locked in on film so that we know when we started it. So it's April the 9th today. And if I do get some kind of something going on, then I will definitely come back with a little bit of an update. So that's it for this really fast video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.